Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time, I highly welcome you, and trust me, I believe you are going to enjoy your stay on this channel. So please kindly subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. You can ask any question you want in the comment section. If you don't understand anything, you can ask in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. So today I am going to break down GBPUSD, what my expectations are and what I will be expecting within today and tomorrow. I don't know the time I'll be posting video, or I don't know the time you are going to be watching this video, but if you watch the video before the price play out, then kudos. But maybe if you are watching the video after, maybe you will learn something from it. So this is GBPUSD. We have been having this price action for about 3 weeks now, since April, and I've called out this rising wedge in my free Telegram channel. Now we've broken out from the rising wedge, we've retested it, and we are heading downwards. And we all know, if you learn price actions and patterns, if you break out from a wedge, you must come and take out the low that started the wedge. So that confirmed that GBPUSD is actually selling. And we all know that if we are in a bearish trend, why do I know we are in a bearish trend? Because I've already posted a video, I think 2 videos. If you haven't watched the video, you can go back and watch it. In my previous videos, I've analyzed the chart on the monthly and the daily, the weekly and the daily. So we confirm from those previous videos that we are in a downtrend. And since we also have this rising wedge here, it also gave us a clear indication that we are in a downtrend on GBPUSD. So after the breakout of the rising wedge, because of this zone, I didn't enter straightforward. I waited for this bearish engulfing. Then I entered from here. I took a trade from here to here to this zone, about 50 pips. So I closed the trade. The trade hit my full 3p, and I am now trading within this price action here. So what is happening here? I already have my trading plan, because I know that GBPUSD is selling. So where am I going to sell? This is where most of the traders make mistakes. You have to recognize the trend. Now I know the trend is a bearish trend. So where am I going to jump into the trade? Do I just have to come to the chart and just start selling? No, you need to find a very nice place to enter the sell position, so that you will not end up being a drawdown for a long time. So we are here currently. I've already marked out, or I already know that since price are breaking up from the wedge, if this is going to play out well, then we must retrace upward to this zone which was broken out before we can continue. I don't want the video to be long, so I just have to make the things very fast for you. And this is 4-hour time frame. So yesterday I saw a lot of people were buying GBPUSD, some too were selling. And well, I am not trying to say maybe my strategy is correct, but maybe that is your strategy. I never take a trade in this zone, because I remember I was showing one of the students. I told him that until price will get back to this zone, I am not going to sell GBPUSD. And if that did not happen, if price closes below this zone, then I'm going to sell. But if price did not close below this zone on the 4-hour time frame, I am not going to either buy or sell. I am going to wait. If price come back here, I am going to look for sell positions to sell. If price do not get to this level here, I'm neither buying or selling. It's only when it break out from here that I am going to sell. Why am I saying that? With this zone, and sorry guys, maybe you will not understand how I mark out these zones. You can see every zone has its own color, and every zone have the time frame it is represented. You can see they are of different colors, and I will show that in my subsequent videos, how to mark out the zones, maybe but not in this video. So you can see that with this orange zone, anytime price is below that zone, it is selling. Anytime price is above that zone, it is buying. You can see that clearly. So since we are above that zone, I am not interested in selling because I am above that zone. I will only be interested in selling if we can be close below this zone, the retest, then I will sell to this level and maybe extend to this level. I hope you get it. So guys, right now that I know that I am not interested in selling, not also interested in buying, what am I going to do? Now, I told my guys in the Telegram group that no one should buy because this price can hit a lot of people stop out, and that actually happens. It just when the news came and it hit a lot of people stop out, stop losses, then now it's rallying upward. So my waiting now is I am waiting for price to get back to this zone, give me some kind of price action here, then we are heading downwards. And that zone, this zone you are seeing here is a I think a monthly zone, yeah, or a weekly zone. No, not a monthly zone. It's a weekly zone. This zone you are seeing here. So if this orange zone is it's a 4-hour zone, and this blue one is a weekly zone, that means if anything is about to happen here, this one is weaker than the orange one is weaker than the blue one. Let me show you what I'm trying to talk about. So on the weekly time frame, you will see this zone very clear. The blue zone, you will see that zone very clear. But this orange zone, there is nothing there. That means on the weekly time frame, this orange zone is not visible. So that means it's not strong in the weekly time frame. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, that blue zone you see there is very strong because it's a weekly zone. So if price come to that zone and price is about selling, this 4-hour zone will not be able to hold price. So price will break through it. I hope you get it. Yeah, like I said, I am going to show you how to mark out those zones maybe in one of my videos, but right now there I want to show you how to catch these sells on GBPUSD. So this is also a clear indication that GBPUSD will go upward. You can see that it has given us a double bottom on the zone and it break above the neckline. And if you go to the 1-hour time frame, you see that clearly. It break above the neckline, which I have marked out. It have retested the neckline, and we are heading towards the upside to the zone. So this is the double bottom, the neckline breaks above the neckline. It has retested the neckline, as you can see. So we are going to this zone. So this is where I am waiting patiently for the price to come into. And if price come into this zone, let me show you something on the 4-hour time frame. If price come into this zone, we are going to experience something like a head. This is the shoulder, this is the head to the neckline, another head here, break the neckline, retest the neckline, then boom. Guys, hope you can see this. This is going to give us a clear head and shoulder pattern. So you either sell from here or you wait when this neckline is broken, then you enter from here. So this is what you should be expecting. If you see any sell position or sell opportunity here, very clear, because that is the second shoulder. We are going to sell from that level to this level, and when we break out this level, we wait for it to retest, then we sell all the way downward to the bottom here. So what is going to be your entry criteria? Because price can come to those zones, and if you don't have entry criteria, you will just be playing with the distance before you realize price have left you. Then you start to cry. Some people, that is where FOMO set in. You will say, oh, the price is going, leaving me, let me just enter, so that then before you realize, you enter a position that it will lead you to a drawdown. So mostly my entry time is 15 minutes and the 1 hour. I mostly like to see my price playing out on the 15 minutes or the 1 hour. I don't go to 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I don't go to lower time frame for later. Even sometimes I do enter on the 4-hour time frame. If I'm swinging the trade, I enter on the 4-hour time frame. But if I am not swinging, I'm just day trading. I wait for maybe 1-hour candle close or a 15-minute candle close, then I enter. If you have been following my channel for a while, you will know that my entries or what I look out for before I enter is a double bottom, a double top, a triple top, a triple bottom, a head and shoulder. That is what I look out for to sell or to buy. So what I'll be looking out for here is on the 1-hour time frame. As you see price coming there, price will come back here, give me a reaction, also come back, give me another reaction, then break out, then I go. You understand? This is what I am. This is my first entry. Double top or triple top. This can also come here. There we go. Or I see a head and shoulder, a minor head and shoulder, either on the what? On the 4-hour time frame, on the 15 minutes, or on the 1-hour time frame. Then I go. This is what I normally look out for: a triple top, a double top, a head and shoulder. Then I sell downwards. So this is what I am actually looking out for, and that is what. That is not all. If I see a head and shoulder here, or if I see a double top at this level, I don't just enter, because who told me that this double top has already played out? Maybe it might also be what, a triple top, or maybe price will end up consolidating before it will give me what, an entry. So I either wait for maybe a bearish engulfing, a morning star or an evening star, then I will enter the positions. I don't just see a double top or a triple top, then I enter. So guys, I don't want to waste too much time on this video. This is very clear. We have seen that GBPUSD tried breaking out this zone, but it couldn't. It gave a double bottom, which most of the time I normally use. Give a neckline, it broke the neckline, came back to the neckline. So this could have been an opportunity for us to trade this to risk maybe 12 page for the 1 is to 20, this is about 30 pips. So we could have entered this trade to the upside. So this would have been a very good trade for us to capture about 30 pips to the upside, and you can see that price came to the neckline and price is going upside. And this will have been a very, but because it is a retracement, I don't trade retracement. I wait, follow the trend. So guys, let's wait patiently. Like I said, if you are not in my Telegram group, the free Telegram group, you can join, because that is where I am going to call out this trade. If I see the entry, I am going to call out this trade so that we trade it to the downside. If you are not in the Telegram group, so please kindly check the description and the comment section. You see that I've posted a link over there. You can join through that. And please guys, if you are enjoying what I am trying to do, because I'm trying to help all of us grow our Small Forex account, please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification button, so anytime I post a new video, you are going to be the first one to be notified. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.